Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to our next instalment of Members in the Spotlight. Today, a man who largely needs no introduction, but I'll do it just for fun. Don Shields, Geelong Insurance Brokers. Welcome, Don.
Welcome. Thank you, Ben.
So, Don, you've been in the game there at Geelong Insurance Brokers under different names for about 27 years now. Tell us what you do.
Well, Geelong Insurance Brokers, along with all insurance brokers, we do more than just find the right policy at the right price. We also help people when they need to make changes during the year, but most importantly, we help with claims. So you don't get stuck on hold, getting the runaround. That's all our problem, not yours. And it's worth paying us to do it. But also we provide advice too from a risk management point of view. We'll go out and visit clients and say, I notice your fire extinguisher hasn't been serviced in 2 or 3 years. And it's easy for those sort of things to slip. Or we'll notice that there's a black hole in your alarm coverage and suggest you should get someone to have a look at that, or the security on your doors mightn't be adequate. And we provide a whole lot of risk management reports that help people identify for their occupation the risks that particular to that occupation. And
Don, I know you're really involved in the community. We had a really big chat about how extensively you're involved in Rotary. How important is that to your business?
Well, it's critically important. I mean, everyone in the community should be looking to give back. I mean, we do. We're in business, obviously, to earn a living, but also the social responsibility is something I grew up has been ingrained in me from a young child, from my family. Those who can should give something back and help those less fortunate than they are.
Yep, fantastic. And I drive past your office in East Geelong. Is that your office there?
It is, 34 Ormond Road. We've got a brand new office that opened a few months ago. It's taken a little bit of time for it to finally get in it, but it's worth it.
It's a nice office. And tell me, Don, obviously the whole world's changing and the insurance industry is no different, I suspect. How has your last 12 months been, and what sort of changes are we seeing across the insurance industry?
Well, it's been a very hard last 12 months, or might as well say 2 or 3 years. We're in a hard market, which basically means prices go up and insurance companies withdraw from in certain segments, certain occupations. So that makes it very difficult for us. So not only are we looking after our existing clients and making sure they got the right cover and the right price, it means we're getting a lot more opportunities for quotes. We have to work twice as hard because people don't like paying more, funny enough, for insurance. And that makes us very busy.
And we always hear that insurance is just such a trickier business with the change in the weather and COVID and all this sort of stuff. Is that what you're seeing?
Certainly, there's been some large events. We've been pretty lucky here in Victoria, but don't have to look too far north of the border to find some large flooding events and storm events. We've had some storms in the last couple of months, and that generates claims. We weren't as badly hit as parts of the Dandenongs, but then everyone forgets about the fires. We think about COVID, but the massive fires that actually happened, and we're lucky that the Otways was spared those, but it's probably only a matter of time, and the Otways will have another fire, a big one.
Yeah. So give us the pitch again. How can our members get involved, and what can they chat to you about?
Well, they chat to me about just because they want to have a chat. I'm open for a chat. If they want to find out about Rotary, they want to find out how to get involved in the community, come and have a chat. But more importantly, from a business point of view, come and talk to me. My door's always open. Happy to help.
Fantastic. Well, ladies and gentlemen, thank Don Shields from Geelong Insurance Brokers. He's down there in East Geelong, and he's going to be our monthly premium sponsor online for the Chamber. So thank you for the support, Don, and we see you at all of our events. You're particularly engaged, and we love having you on board. Take care.
Thank you.